This tool allows us to turn off that circuit, and now we can go ahead and add our pendant lights. All right, so we've got our Kaiweets circuit tester here, and for this particular application we're going to pull this guy out because we've got a light there, and we're going to use this as an example. If we wanted to hang a pair of pendant lights from there and we want to know what circuit that light's on, that's where this kind of comes in handy. So what we're going to do, we're going to attach this to this piece right here and search for the correct circuit. So we're going to take our circuit finder. Well, first we'll power it on. There we go. Screw it up in there. And so we're going to go ahead and press the reset button. This just plugs in. And so press the reset. Let's go ahead and see. Turn the light switch on. Now we're going to take this to our circuit panel. This tool is especially handy when you don't have a list of all the circuits listed out. We're running this down the breakers one by one. Really not going to pay any attention to anything that beeps the first time around. It's just going to list. It's just listening. So it's found a couple. Now do it again. This time we're going to pay attention to long beeps. Now, looking for a tone. All right, there we go. That one right there. See, it's longer in tone. On this one, but not on this one. So this one is number 20, right there. And if we come over here, this is our check. Number 20 says kitchen lighting. But if you didn't have this all listed out here, you can use this to find the circuit that had that tester in it. It identifies it, and then you can go ahead and turn it off, and you're safe to deal with that particular circuit.